Welcome back, all you stone turtles out there. On today's episode, we're going to be doing a nice, flavorful, infused potato salad. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 baked potatoes. We're going to cover our potatoes with a little bit of olive oil, salt, roll them in foil, put them in the oven at 425 degrees for 1 hour. You're going to need half a white onion, 2 stalks of celery, 3 hard-boiled eggs, a tablespoon and a half of seasoned salt, 3/4 of a tablespoon of ground mustard, a teaspoon of white pepper, a half a tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 10 grams of our medicated oil. For this batch I'm using an Amnesia Haze infused olive oil, and 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. Let's get chopping. One and a half tablespoons of seasoned salt, 3/4 of a tablespoon of ground mustard, half a teaspoon of white pepper, and a half a tablespoon of black pepper. An even coat is what you're looking for. It's already looking to be a nice creamy potato salad. Thank you all for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.